In the heart of the vibrant Kikuyu lands, where acacia trees sway in the breeze and the sun bathes the savanna in golden light, a captivating tale unfolds. Meet Wanjiku, the daughter of a respected elder, known for her grace and kindness. Alongside her is Kamau, a brave warrior admired by all. Their love is a secret, hidden beneath the veils of tradition and duty. Wanjiku is promised to another, a wealthy chief's son, to secure her family's legacy. Yet her heart beats for Kamau, whose strength and devotion are unmatched. But fate takes a dark turn. Muthoni, a jealous rival, desires Kamau for herself. Fueled by envy, she weaves a web of deceit, spreading lies and sowing discord, threatening to expose Wanjiku and Kamau's forbidden love. As tensions mount and secrets unravel, Wanjiku and Kamau find themselves torn between duty and desire, loyalty and love. Betrayal lurks in every shadow, threatening to tear apart the fabric of their world. Amidst the turmoil, the richness of Kikuyu culture shines through. From the colorful fabric adorning the villagers to the rhythmic beats of traditional drums, every detail speaks of heritage and tradition. In a climactic moment, Wanjiku and Kamau face their accusers, their love stronger than any falsehoods. Surrounded by the embrace of their community, they stand together, defying the odds and reclaiming their love. And so, amidst the veils of betrayal and secrets, love triumphs, proving that even in the face of adversity, the heart knows its own truth. Join us on this journey of love, tradition, and resilience. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating tales from the heart of Africa.